Good morning. I want to kick off the week. I do some segments of Stocks in Focus, basically ones that have caught my attention that have been flying under the radar. And this week I'm going to talk about BRQL is the symbol, Dynamic Aerospace Systems. They're OTC right now, but they're looking to uplist. They're out of Ann Arbor, Michigan, have about 13 employees or so. Closed at 28 cents or so on Friday, up 4% on the day. Market cap around 8 million, I believe. They're focused on developing, manufacturing advanced drones for defense, government, public safety, and commercial use. So as we know, with the uprising overseas and some of these countries are starting to use drones more and more, and it's a growing sector. It's probably one of the fastest growing sectors out there right now. And this company's already, got their foot in the door. They've been at it for a few years, and I just want to go over a few notes and kind of give you a quick rundown on what they're about, because it's not just one drone. They have, different ones that they, help different aspects, whether it be the government, public safety, helps the firefighters and whatnot when, during, the wildfires that we've seen all too often. So, like I said, I'm going to go over some notes and I'll let you do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own, due diligence on these companies. Just don't buy shares because, I did a video or post about it. Look at them yourself and you'll probably be as excited as I am. So some of their key products, the US one quadcopter is for multi-use delivery. The 6-1 hybrid is for long-range missions. For like tactical drones, for law enforcement and defense and whatnot. I mean, they've already been putting their product out in front of some key people out there, and they got eyes out on them right now. So, in quarter one, they filed 10 new patents, provisional patents, in this extremely high growth sector. The strategic progress with government and defense demos. So basically, they're out there showing off their product, and there is a lot of interest in them right now. So I mean, like I said, it's a high growing field right now, and there's the money is to be made, as they say. They're actively preparing for a potential listing on higher exchange like the New York Stock Exchange American. So I mean, that's exciting news. The Chinese drone company that has powered most of the American government has been banned by federal law. So that has opened the door for companies, like Dynamic Aerospace Systems to, step in and fill that void. So I'm going to go over a few notes. Like I said, I've taken them right off their this interesting thing I'll be sharing on X a little bit later on. It highlights a lot of their what's going on with the company. So I'm going to read them right off. 100% U.S. manufactured, built in Ann Arbor, Michigan. NDAA compliant from day one. 3 operational platforms, long endurance. Sorry for mispronunciation. I'm not that great at it. So multi-rotor, long-range hybrid, VTOL, and indoor tactical. More than 38 million invested over 8 years into IP and technology. Historical investor backing from Bridgemere Venture Partners, Eclipse Ventures, TechNexus, and Alpine 4 Holdings. Excuse me if I mispronounced anybody out there, no offense. They've had live demo for the U.S. Force Global Strike Command on September 25th of last year at Strother Field in Kansas. Arizona Department of Public Safety co-hosted a multi-agency evaluation expo on April 30th of this year. Formal proposal submitted to the DoD Drone Dominance Rapid Solution Program in January of this year. Supply agreement signed with Unusual Machines, a New York Stock Exchange company, UMAC, for US-made NDAA compliant components. 9 plus, I did mention 10. I did see 10 on some news outlets out there, but 9 plus provisional patents filed plus 1 issued or published patent. United States, NYSE ticker DAS reserve planned NYSE uplisting target is for the third quarter of this year. Board includes executives from FedEx and Honeywell Aerospace. MOU signed with Drop Smart Hub in Greece and Noon Fulfillment in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt. And that pretty much wraps it up. I mean, there's a lot going on. Forgive me for reading off the notes. I'm not good at memorizing. I'm not a professional out there. Point is, there's a lot going on with this company right now. And, a lot of stuff this year. It's not a company that, had things going on and has been, quiet and whatnot. This company's got a lot going on right now. And they're moving forward with a lot of things. And I encourage you just to take a look at this company. Like I said, do your own due diligence. Dig into it a little bit. Look at the news that's been come out, and make up your own mind on this one. It could be, like I said, if they're looking to uplist into a major exchange. 28 cents a share right now is, looks like a bargain, in my opinion, of course. But take a look, see what you think, and just let me know. Have a good day, everyone.